If you're passionate about travel, adventure, or cutting-edge luxury on wheels, you've come to the right spot. Today, we're taking you inside 10 of the most extravagant and mind-blowing mobile homes in the world. From sleek designs to jaw-dropping features, get ready to see how far mobile living can go. Make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Fifth, C12M, powered by a 540 horsepower diesel turbo engine. This 12-meter long and 3.5-meter wide mobile home accommodates up to 6 people. It features a 7-meter retractable sunshade that extends 4 meters wide, a rear garage, a master bedroom with ensuite bathroom, a living room with sofa and coffee table, TV, fully equipped kitchen, solar power, heating/cooling system, security system, and wireless internet. Fourth, Truck Surf Hut. This luxurious mobile home is designed for surfers, equipped with everything needed for a relaxing beach holiday. It features small bedrooms with 2 beds, a fully equipped mini kitchen, multiple bathrooms, storage for surfboards and gear, entertainment systems, internet connection, and a rooftop terrace. Its mobility allows guests to explore different surf spots without worrying about accommodation. Experienced guides drive the truck and take guests to remote, stunning surf locations. Third, Starliner SL25. A compact, luxurious tiny home, practical and well-equipped. Measuring 9 meters in length, it has 2 king-size beds accommodating 4 people, 4 seats for travel, a garage for electric cars, a full kitchen, bathroom, small dining area, and a living room with high-end finishes. Second, Rionesium. This high-tech RV is a masterpiece designed for adventurous travelers. It features a rooftop lounge with leather seats, a large flat-screen TV, and a smart home system that allows control of lighting, temperature, and entertainment via a mobile app. First, SLRV, Commander 8x82. Designed for off-road adventures, this mobile home offers spacious living areas and top-tier comfort. Priced at $1.2 million, it has a 2-story interior with a fully equipped kitchen, comfortable sleeping areas, a bathroom with a shower, a dining space, entertainment systems, and climate control for all conditions. It combines rugged terrain capability with luxury living. That's a wrap on our tour of the world's most luxurious mobile homes. Thanks for watching until the end. Stay tuned for our next video, and see you soon!